Madam Agent.
I don't dey call the man since get person wey wan buy the land.
I'm making come fast now.
Shebi na all the land be this.
All the land. You see this side? From here, reach that Mbeke 3. From that Mbeke 3, reach this side. Now me get am. I want me to sell land. I want buy Benz. I want buy 4 leg.
Okay, Oga, you know say I be agent. No worry, I don't see the land. I'm fine. I don't say the man go like him.
So yes, I'll get back to you. I'm in an inspection right now. Yes, 83.8 billion. This man! You see money, yes.
So that be the thing,
We are talking about recurrent expenditures.
Oh.
How are you? Fine, sir.
Jesus!
Jesus!
Hey! I just finished.
Jesus!
Is it the man?
Sorry. I wasted a lot of time, you know.
Okay, don't come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You see, from here, reach this Mbeke leaf. From this Mbeke 3, reach this side. It's my land.
Yes.
I want to buy Benz. I want to buy Benz.
So how much do people actually keep?
Okay, don't worry. From like this, it's 4.6 billion.
And this side, we have 2 acres of land this way. Yes, and it's for how much, sir?
8.6 billion. Wow. Everything good. That you are doing is billion.
Yes.
That's good, eh? Don't worry, eh? Okay, I think I should go and think about it. Eh?
What?
No,
yes,
no.
You know, sometimes I'm having this, I'm just trying to have some personal thinking, So let me just think and brainstorm. You know, I'm expecting money. Eh? That one is a small money.
Nah.
No, it's a small money. Eh? I'll get back to you people. See,
This
this thing is something you take time. This is a long time planning something, sir. Maybe in the next 3-4 years I might come back.
By then it has increased.
No problem, I'll come back.
No, sir.
What?
I'll come back.
Where's my Martin money?
Martin Guinea.
Martin,
Look at the kind of client that he brought to me,
you don't even pay Martin money.
No pay my chicken. Are you not the one that bring the man?
No worry. I go bring better clients, come.
Okay, go bring better client,
Yes.
come. Maybe I won't buy Benz. I won't make everything happen. I won't come do like this.
What type of
Oga, rest.
At my rest. No worry. I know you said the land again. If you come here again, back on this, I know.
I be agent, though.
If you agent, I'm so fucking what?